you might be wondering what is going to be in the sale this next week. So here are some examples of the larger pieces. So some wisteria, a Matilaha poppy, a beautiful heuchera print, white cyanotype, and some ferns. Anyway, a lot of these pieces were test prints, experimental prints for collections in the last few years, and they are just taking up way too much space in my flat file. And I thought, okay, time to unload some. And also I kind of need to clear my head to make some new work. So the spring cleaning sale is for you and for me to get some of these things gone. So some beautiful cherry blossoms, actually plum blossoms. And then this one was was a test for one in a show a couple years ago. And I kind of like these two together. I think they'd make a great diptych if they were framed together. And this one is one of the large figurative pieces I did way back in 2016. So I hope you'll join me for the sale a week from tomorrow for 3 days. All right.